Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone charging auto disconnecting problem. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do if you're having this issue is make sure there is no dust or lint in the charger port hole. Sometimes it collects a lot of dust, dirt. You want to take a flashlight, take a look, take something that's non metal like pick to just pick out any dust and dirt. And the next thing you want to check out is the charger itself. Make sure you're using a genuine charger and not a knockoff one or something that's non-genuine. Sometimes these cables can break also, which will cause the phone to disconnect during charging. So you want to make sure the cable is good and the block itself, and use the outlet. If you have a different charger, try that out as well. And then remember, you can also try to charge your phone wirelessly if you're simply having issues with the connection port right here. Now, the next thing you want to do if you're still having issues is go into your setting and then go to Bluetooth for battery, and then you're going to go to battery health and charging. And right here, what you want to do is just turn off this option right here, optimize battery charging. That can interfere with charging, and if you find it fixes later on, you can go ahead and at least turn it back on. Now, another thing you also want to go ahead and do is follow to update this phone. You want to go into your settings, go to general, the software update. It's always good to update to the latest version in case a previous update is causing issues. Now, if you did that and still having issues, the next thing to do is this method here. You're going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button. So what I do is quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then just hold on to the side button just like that. And you're going to wait until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo reappears before you let go of that side button. So you can see here I'm still holding down that side button. This is known as a forced restart. I let go when I see the Apple logo. It will not delete any of your data. Now, if it doesn't work the very first time, go ahead and keep on trying again. All we're doing is quickly pressing and releasing volume up, volume down, and then holding down that side button. So we're going to wait for the phone to turn back on. And after that, we're going to go back into our phone. And if you're still having issue, next thing to do is in your settings, go to general, and then you're going to scroll down to transfer reset iPhone, click on reset, and we're going to reset all settings themselves. This will not delete any of your data. It's completely safe to do. So you want to go ahead and do that. And if you have a delay, you might have to wait for that delay to finish. But in any case, that will not delete your data. You're just resetting the settings. And I hope all this tip help you guys fix your iPhone charging. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.